Hello, dear children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well, fit and fine. Okay, children. Let's come back to Social Studies class, chapter number 14, Delhi. Today we will do the last part of this chapter. As we all know, Delhi is a big city. It is the capital of India. It also has a great history. All the main offices of Government of India and Delhi are located in New Delhi. Tourists from all over the world visit Delhi to view ancient monuments and several places of worship. Delhi boasts of proud roads. What is the meaning of boast? Boast means to talk about something with pride, with excessive pride. Followed, children? So Delhi is proud of its broad roads. World-class hotels. It has world-class hotels because there are many tourist places. So people from all across the world, they come and they stay in hotels. So it has world-class hotels. It has flyovers. It has modern sports complexes. It has shopping malls. Delhi is well connected by airways, railways, and roadways to the rest of the. Delhi now has a highly efficient metro rail in the world. Now, what do you understand by metro rails? Metro means underground rail system. Followed, children? Underground rail system. It transports around 1.5 million commuters in a day. Commuters means passengers, or you can say travelers. Okay? So around 1.5 million passengers travels in a day. Followed? Now, what type of climate does Delhi have? Delhi has an extreme climate. What type of climate? An extreme climate. Extreme climate means very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Right? You can view both the images and you can understand. See, in the first image, this vendor is providing juices, lemon juice and water. When the climate is extremely hot, people usually drink juice and water, right? And here you can, in this image, you can see the climate is extremely cold. This man is wearing a shawl. He has covered himself with a shawl, right? A hot, dry wind called Loo blows during the summer months. Now, children, what is the meaning of Loo? Loo means hot and dry wind that blows during summer. Here you can see, because of Loo, see the people, they have covered themselves. See, their faces are covered. Why? Because of Loo, because of hot and dry wind. To protect themselves, they have covered their faces. It rains during the monsoon months of July, August and September. So July, August and September are the monsoon months. People from all states of India live in Delhi. So you can see people wearing all kinds of clothes in Delhi. See the images. Here you can find people are wearing all kinds of clothes. Now children, view the images. Yes, from the image you can understand that most men in Delhi wear trousers and shirts, whereas most women wear sari and salwar kameez. You can see from in this image. Yes, men are wearing trousers and shirts, and women are wearing sari and salwar kameez. Now here you can see the wardrobe. Yes, like other cities of the world, women and girls can be seen wearing trousers and skirts too, right? Like other cities of the world, women and girls are also seen wearing trousers and skirts too. Followed? Now, children, you can see so many people here. Yes, children, people from all regions and religions work and live in Delhi. All major festivals are celebrated here. Followed, all major festivals are celebrated here. So, Delhi is also called as Mini India. Followed, children, it is also called as Mini India because people from all regions and religions live and work in Delhi, and they celebrate all the festivals together. Now children, what kind of climate does Delhi have? Already we have learnt, right? Delhi has an extreme climate. Followed? Let's see the answer. And this question I have taken from your textbook. Delhi has an extreme climate. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. A hot, dry wind called Loo blows during the summer months. It rains during the monsoon months of July, August and September. Yes, children? You all have understood the answer? Okay. What kinds of clothes do the people of Delhi wear? Yes, children? This question is also from the textbook. What is the answer? Let's see the answer. People from all states of India live in Delhi. So, you can see people wearing all kinds of clothes in Delhi. Most men in Delhi wear trousers and shirts. Most women wear sari or salwar kameez. Like in other modern cities of the world, women and girls can be seen wearing trousers and skirts too. Yes, I hope you all have understood the answer. You have followed the answer. Now children, we have completed chapter number 14, Delhi. Now you have to read the chapter at least 3-4 times, and you have to solve the objectives given behind the chapter. You have to solve on your own. Followed, children, you have to learn to solve the answers. At least you should learn to solve the objectives. Followed? So I will meet you in the next class. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Thank you, children.